The Lexus NX in 2025 model year has officially launched 10 years, and there hasn't been any special things to celebrate this milestone. And when you think of the Lexus RC, which recently have been seen with a final edition, which means the RC will no longer be produced post 2025. So for the NX having 10 years, it's actually a great milestone to celebrate. In this video, we will look at the Lexus NX and its 10th anniversary special edition. There seems to be only one place on this planet providing this special edition, and it's not Japan nor North America. Let's get to it. Hey, it's LSF here today, and today we're here to look at the 10th anniversary special edition Lexus NX, and it looks like it's limited to 1,000 units, and there may already been sold out since this news came out of China since November 8th, 2024. So what is this 10th anniversary special edition? Let's read the news release. First thing is, yes, I don't think we can understand this, so thank you to Google Translate. So here we have it. This is the press release translated from simplified Chinese to English. So hopefully it all makes sense. So they're saying that the Lexus midsize SUV launched globally in Beijing 2014. So maybe that's why it makes sense to actually have the special edition in China, because it was actually born in China. In the past 10 years, it has won favor of nearly 300,000 car owners in Chinese mainland market. So for reference, and over the 10 years, Lexus has sold about just under 600,000 units in US. So US has 600,000 units, China is nearly 300, so let's say 290 something. And then let's look at Canada. We're looking at about under 80,000 units. And then when we look at UK, they're about 45,000 units since launch. So when we add all those four markets together, it's past 1 million NXs that have been sold. So definitely a very good model and a very good milestone for Lexus here. So in order to express gratitude to every user for their love and recognition, the company has launched the NX 10th anniversary special a limited edition, which is limited to only 1,000 units. And it comes with a 10th anniversary supply set. And the price is about RMB's $359,800. So translating from $359,800 Chinese yuan, we're looking at about $50,000 US. And if we convert that, let's say, to Canadian dollars, we're talking about $70,000 Canadian. That is still not a cheap vehicle there. And then when we compare that to, let's say, the British pound, we're talking about right under 40,000 pounds. So if you compare that to the NX that you have in your market, what do you think? So let's continue. So evolution of 10 and heartwarming upgrades. So following the brand's iconic luxury style, the Lexus NX 10th Anniversary Special Limited Edition, which offers a rich combination of 9 exterior colors and 3 interior colors. The door panels are equipped with black crystal multi-dimension panels. The cabin ambient lighting is now selected from 64 with 14 themes, carefully selected from nature. So the 10th Anniversary Special Edition is based off the NX 260 Creative Edition, and it has upgraded multi-configurations to accompany you on a warm journey in autumn and winter. The standard electric tailgate allows you to open and close quietly with convenience. They will also get steering wheel with a heated function, providing warm care during driving process. So at the same time, it will have the front ventilated and front heated seats. So the driver's seat is with memory functions, and there's multi-memory groups to set up personal settings. Follow me on Instagram at LSFTvideos. You can see updates on my experience with the NX 450h Plus, which may not be shown on any future videos. You can reach out to me via direct messaging if you have any questions on your Lexus. If you like this video, you can provide me feedback in the comments below, like this video, share it with your friends. This definitely will help with the YouTube algorithms. Press the subscribe button and bell icon and get notified when new videos show up. And lastly, if you want to support me further, you can provide me a super thanks, or visit my Amazon storefront before you purchase anything from Amazon, and or you can purchase products from the list on the items that I've been using with my vehicle or at home at no extra cost to you. And now let's continue with the video. What else does this include? So the vehicle is equipped with the 10th anniversary supply set, which includes a 10th anniversary exclusive logo on the rear and the steering wheel, an NX exclusive welcome pedal, and an Ordo's 1980 custom wool and cashmere shawl. So the 10th anniversary exclusive logo is themed with the 10th anniversary, and it's rendered in elegant champagne color, clever combined with the number 10 and the NX wheel shape. The logo is made of 3-dimension soft material and can be attached to a prominent position on the vehicle's tailgate and steering wheel. It combines the silhouette of the NX body with a highly recognizable L-shaped daylight running lights, showing the unique artistic charm. So on top of that, they're also adding, there's a welcome pedal that's added. It's integrated with this model, and it's a simple outline with smooth shapes. The multicolor background echoes the vehicle's interior pattern, showing the beauty of harmony. And its itch texture of the Lexus logo shows exclusive details and unique style. When the door is open, the magnetic control switch automatically lights up the NX body contour line on the pedal. The white light automatically turns off 30 seconds after the door is open or closed. So Lexus has teamed up with Ordo's 1980, and what they're doing is they're actually giving you this cashmere shawl. So just as a gift, as part of this 10th anniversary, it's only 1,000 of those are made. So Lexus will continue to provide users experience exceeds, and they're saying that the 10th anniversary includes 2 logos, a set of the illuminated welcome pedals, and the custom wool and cashmere shawl. So one thing to note, in the asterisk here, you can see that it says, this is a genuine product made in China, provided by Toyota Motor China Investment Company Limited, and is installed by Lexus China dealers. Please call your local Lexus China dealer for details. So what does that mean? So that means is all these stickers, all these things that they're adding is actually done at port or at the dealership. So they only get probably 1,000 of these stickers, and they stick them on, and then you're done. They're not actually customized in Japan when they make their cars. This is just when the car arrives, so the 260 Creative Edition is done, they would add these albums on top instead. So they'll probably peel off the Lexus logo, stick this on, add that illuminated stills, and you're done. So we quickly look at why is it called the NX 260 and not the 250 that we have in North America. So looking at here, NX 260 Creative Edition, and I don't see that big of a difference. 149 kilowatt is about 200 horsepower, 240 nanometers is about 177 pound-feet of torque at 4,000 to 5,000. So when you look at it, performance-wise, it's very similar, but somehow it's not 250, it's 260. So I don't see any big differences. They're saying acceleration is 8.7 seconds, which is like a 0.4 second faster than the NX 250. So maybe that's why they call it the 260. Really don't know why. Other than that, I would say the feature-wise, everything is very similar. It does add, like the 10th edition does add a little bit more on top of this Creative Edition. So for folks who are interested in this 10th anniversary or this Creative Edition of the NX 260 in China, probably this is the best option to do, because you're getting a little bit more, and it's not going to cost you a lot more. And you do have a limited 1,000 vehicle in China. So there we have it, the NX 260 Creative Edition, or really Creative Edition with the 10th anniversary edition. So now that we've looked at the NX 10th anniversary special edition, do you think in other markets Lexus should be producing something like this? Like, for example, a 10th anniversary NX 350h F Sport, which is not available in North America. If they make something like that, make it special, maybe that'll work out. Or maybe an NX 450h Plus F Sport with Mark Levinson, because again, that's not available as well. But again, I think maybe because demand is still quite high and they don't need to do anything special for the NX. So there we have it, the NX 10th anniversary special edition. I hope that you found that this video was informative, and until next video, drive safely. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please comment, like, share this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get notified when new videos are posted. And if you'd like to support this channel, you can provide me a super thanks. And until next time, cheers.